Information Management System, UiTM Macang, Kelantan. Before that, I'm Nurul Nazurah Wira, and today I would like to share with you a little bit about MOOC, which means a massive open online sources. MOOC is an online courses aims at unlimited participations and open access via the webs. An open learning system is one of the best online learning process to the students, lecturer, or other people that interested to learn mainly about PHP and HTML. It also especially to all system students in UiTM Macang or other students outside from UiTM. They also can learn about HTML and also PHP open learning system. MOOC. The terms of MOOC is originated in the US in 2008. And then the MOOC also is a free to all people as long as they have internet connection, and they also can use and learn the MOOC, which is open learning system, at everywhere that can be, as long as they have internet connection. So it's so easily and flexible to user to join and to learn the open sources learning, which is they can give improvement to other students in UiTM Macang or outside from UiTM. In open learning system, it's involved in lecturer, students, or people that interested to join to learn about coding, HTML that related to the course subjects in UiTM students or UiTM system. Other than that, as MOOC is very accessible and complete online courses where user can access that they want what they want to access, which is they can learn about how to read a coding, which is when MOOC provide questions such as exercise to the students can answer the questions with knowledge that they provide in open learning system, which is in MOOC. Lecturers such as from others university, they can provide questions or knowledge about the coding such as PHP or HTML in order to help people in Malaysia to share and to learn about the coding and how to develop a system. Other than that, MOOC is also offer the opportunity to study with top qualification students, which is from qualification student from other universities such as University Islam Antarabangsa or other university that involved in open learning sources. And then based on my experience as a students in UiTM Macang in course Information Management System, I'm also interested to join and to learn in MOOC, which is open learning system that I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn with a video that lecturer provide to learn before we proceed to answer the questions. The questions in the open learning system is very helpful to students that can learn from zero and and until they can improve yourself in coding system. Sometimes in MOOCs, they can in MOOC they will provide a lot of questions that related with the system, where the user can answer all the questions, and after that, after the final questions, they can get a certified qualification from the MOOC, which is the evidence that you learn from the system, from the open learning sources. So I think open learning sources provide a good information to students, where they will provide video tutorial about how to learn a coding and how to solve a problems. So I hope MOOC is a best platform or medium to the students, to UiTM students or outside from UiTM, to get involved in open learning sources, to learn about how to develop a system from zero to from zero to from zero, and improve themselves into a high level that they can. So from this sharing, I hope this information or sharing experience can help you in order to interested and to join to learn with the qualifications people, such as lecturer, that can share with you about how to improve yourself and how to improve the knowledge in open learning sources. That's all from me. Thank you.